Hello mga kalindog, I'm just cooking kutsero. Ayan, kutserong baka. I will show you. Ayan mga kalindog. Oh, this is it. You see, I'm just cooking outside because better. Ayan, gisa-gisa lang siya. After, ayan, nilagyan ko ng tomato. I put some tomato and I put onion, garlic. Ayan. At pagkatapos, we need to wait 5 minutes more. At ayan, ang pinagkuluan nga pala, this is the boiling water for the ground, or the beef. So ayan, let's mix it well, guys. And after that, I have also the pechay. This vegetable is really yummy. That's why, without of this pechay, guys, the kutserong baka, it's not yummy. O, diba? Nilagyan ko na rin siya, guys, ng mga seasoning. I put some seasoning. And of course, ayan, I don't forget my dogs. They have also a little bit beef. So, ayan, guys, it's already boiling. So, we need to make or put the boiling water from the ground beef and the seasoning. Ayan, let's just put a little bit and mix it. Ayan, so there we go, guys. Oh, this is yummy. You see, let us mix well, better and well. O, diba? Mali-mali pa, charot. Ayan, ganyan lang, guys, diba? This is it, pansit. And now, guys, or mga kalindog, we need to add the boiling water from the ground, from the beef. I don't know why I always saying ground beef. Well, okay, move on, guys. Let's start now here in kutserong beef. Let's wait 5 minutes more until boiling my soup. Let's wait. Ayan, guys. This is really yummy. There we go. It's boiling. Almost. And now, we need to add the pechay. I don't know what is pechay, guys, in English. By the way, move on again about this pechay. Ayan, it's boiling. Smell good, guys, mga kalindog. Ayan, mga kalindog. Let's put now the pechay and I will show you, guys. Here, look, oh, mga kalindog, the weather. So sad. Cloudy and gray. The sky. Well, move on this weather. Let's put na the pechay in the what do you call this, guys, mga kalindog, sa ating kutserong baka. So this is it. So yan, let's mix only again for 2 minutes. Mix it. Mix lang ng mix. Charot, hanggang mauwa. Ay, naku, nag-enjoy ako, guys. I'm really enjoying with my kutserong beef. Ayan, because it's my favorite. My dad teach me this recipe when we are young. Ayan, we always eat this in the Philippines when the weather is cold and raining season. So, ayan, guys, until I'm waiting, so I decided, guys, na mag-cook na rin tayo ng rice. Ayan. So, I get some rice and of course, let us rinse. Okay, halo-halo. Haluin ang rice. Ayan. I just watch 2 times, guys. The rice is better. Kasi, diba, we don't know what is inside the rice because the rice is went from the Asia. Ayan. It's imported from Asia to Germany. O, diba? Pose, smile. Smile muna tayo, mga kalindog. O, diba? Ayan. So, let's watch again in the second time. Ayan. So, almost ready, guys. So, lagay na natin siya sa medium heat lang. Let's turn on the our varner. Ayan. And close it. Don't forget. Ayan. Let's see na. Ay, kumukulo na siya, mga kalindog. O, diba? Look, yummy. Smell, guys, talagang mapapawaw na naman ako at mapapa-more rice again dito sa aking kutserong baka. Oh my God, ang sarap nito ngayon. This is really yummy and really pack na pack this weather. The cloudy weather and cold weather, winter, samahan na natin. Sige, lahat-lahat na yan para sabay-sabay na, di ba? Ayan, kumukulo na mga kalindog. Let's taste it. Ayan, kung yummy or okay na, kung the salt or the salt is okay na, talagang tikman natin yan, guys. Diba? O, ayan. Ay, tayo muna, guys. Nahirapan akong tikman dahil ako lang mag-isa. I'm only one who take the videos. So, ayan na nga. Let's... Oh my God! So yummy. So, ayan, guys. Almost done. Let's wait na. And turn off the varner. Ayan. And of course, ang ating rice. Ayan. Let's wait also until cook. So, at ang ating para sa mga dogs, it's ready na. Ayan. Iwan na muna natin siyang naka-on. So, by the way, guys, until I'm waiting, I saw my t-shirt. They have a lock. What do you call that? It's butas. In English, they have a hole. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo ang aking mga gadget o ang aking mga pangtahi. So, ayan. I need to put the sinulid in karayom. Ayan, guys. So, until I'm waiting, the kutserong bango, ano ba yan? Pamali-mali. Ayan. Until I'm waiting, my rice is cook. And of course, na medyo lumamig ang ating kutserong baka. Ayan, manahin muna tayo, guys. I'm doing my, what do you call that? Ayan, nahen. I don't know what's in English. I forget already, guys. I'm a German, charot. Ayan, let's make tahi my t-shirt hanggang luto na ang ating rice. Ayan, guys. This is me. No? You see, guys, mga kalindog. I'm like really from, what do you, ano ba tawag dyan, mga kalindog? Talagang, house prow. Ayan, housewife. Charot. Ayan, guys. This is me. Ayan, after I cook, after everything, ayan, so I need to, ayan, tahiin. Look, I show you guys, ayan ang butas or the lock. Ano ba yung lock? Ayan, the hole. Ayan, may hole ang aking t-shirt. Kasi sayang din naman, guys. You know, this t-shirt, the white t-shirt is my uniform in my work. So, let us make, o diba? Para kung si Gregoria Silang na ang tumahi ng ating bandera, o diba? Tama ba yon, guys? Naku, mapapagalitan ako nito ng teacher ko sa history because I don't know it's right who made or make the flag from the Philippines. Well, by the way, move on. Ayan, move on na ulit tayo sa ating history. So, ayan, guys, diba? Napaka very serious while I'm making tahi-tahi my t-shirt. So guys, ayan, by the way, I say to hi all my members. Thank you so much. Ayan, to all my viewers and all my subscriber. Ayan, but if you're not still subscribed, guys, you can also pray and you don't think no more. Ayan, mag-subscribe na kayo or you subscribe more. So ayan, guys, no? Ay, naboboring ako, guys, di ba? Ayan. Sana pala naglagay tayo ng music, no? Kahit konti, o ayan, post until nananahi, o diba? Emote, o diba? Emote ang parang beauty queen. O ayan, tahi pa more. Tahi. You see, I'm doing my job. Ayan. So, housemaid. Ganyan talaga, guys, pag mga housemaid. Pag mga housewife, I mean. O, diba? Pamali-mali lang talaga. Ganyan talaga siguro pag tumatanda na, no? I think so. So, I don't want to use this scissors, so I use my teeth. So, done. So, guys, let's eat na. Oh my God, guys. Ayan, almost done the rice. I almost forget, diba? Ayan. At of course, meron tayong patis. This is the fish sauce. This is the Asian salt, you know. All Asia, I think, they use this fish sauce. I open, of course, guys, the window because it's smelly. Ayan, let's taste again. Oh my God, yummy! O, diba? So, ayan, guys. Ang sarap. Move on sa ating kutserong baka. Move on. At ayan, di ba? Kain na tayo, guys. I'm so hungry, Lily. Ayan, I will show you. Shh, ito mga aso ko na naman. They are very loud. Ayan, guys. This is the product. Sarap. So, guys, that is my rice. Ayan, I eat always moderately, guys. Mga kalindog, eat 1 plate of rice. That's enough. O, para hindi may high blood. Oh my God, ang init, guys. Hindi ko kaya, mga kalindog. Super init. O, ayan, I decided na I will eat first my soup. O, ayan. Yummy talagang. Hindi ako makamove on, guys. Mga kalindog, I cannot move on in my soup. O, sa aking kutserong baka. O, diba? So, ayan, bye, guys. By the way, ayan, thank you for everyone. All of you, guys. Thank you. I'm hungry na talaga. I need to eat. Ayan, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Thank you so much.